Hello everyone, this is Ivy from WeStarPOS. In our last video, we talked about multiple cashier modes of CRS001. Today I will show you another advantage, easy maintenance, which solves a big POS hardware industry pain point. Let me show you. It adopts the design of removable rear cover. First is the magnetic bottom cover. Easily remove this cover with magnetic design. Cables can be routed out from left, bottom, and right sides, keeping wiring tidy. Also, you can see rich ports here for connecting multiple peripherals. Next, easily loosen the two sub-screws by hand. Remove the top cover to view the internal structure. Mainboard, SSD, RAM, and other parts are located here. Easy to disassemble. Take the RAM for example. Simply pull open the slot clip to remove, align and press it firmly to install. Other parts are also easy to disassemble. No professional technicians needed. Reassembly is just as simple. Put back the top cover, tighten two sub-screws, and close the magnetic bottom cover. With this clear demonstration, we can see that if merchants use the CRS001, distributors only need to send them replacement parts for self-installation when issues occur, instead of asking them to send back the whole machine. This is why more and more partners prefer our CRS001 POS kiosk as a more cost-efficient retail solution. So, if you are interested in our products, welcome to contact us for more details and cooperation. See you next time!